Hi everybody. So let me check if we are really online. We should. Let's see. Perfect. Okay. Let's wait a minute, and in the meantime I will configure and set up everything. So we can remove everything from here. Okay, so officially we can start. Let's start also the recording, why not? Okay, hi all, and welcome back to our stream. Um, Last time we see how OramaCore is structured, which architecture we choose, and as a short recap, we can define more or less two main components, the right side and the read side. The right side accept every operation that change something, create a collection, add documents to a collection, and so on. While the read side accept only the search capability, so you can find search, answer, and similar operation. This allows us to split our code better, firstly. Secondly, we can distribute the geographically the read side. This week should end with beta release, and the next month we release in the end of February we release the first stable version. So on Friday we release the beta 1. Okay, and now we blocked the release. We are blocked from releasing for different feature. One of them is the API key support. So we should support a secure way. Let's say something like that, because API key is not properly a best choice to make your API secure. So, but for the time being, we can start from that. So, let me share the screen. Where is OBS? Here. Let's put OBS here. Perfect. So, split something. Oh, perfect. You should be able to see my my screen. Let me. Well, I am not important. So probably okay. If you have a question, again write in the chat. I have the chat there, so I can explain better. Something is not so clear. So write in the chat. So what we want to do and how we want to create API keys, how we want to manage API keys, and so on. We can see how our other products does it. So let me this google.com. Oh no. Okay, let's see if I can do. Okay, perfect. So what we want to see, for instance, if we keep docker postgre, for instance, the official image says that there is a password, has a variable, has variable, but let's see if we can docker um, docker elastic, for instance. Let's say see how they manage, but probably has a master API key or similar. No, apparently they doesn't. Let's see how MySQL handle it. Again, here has variable environment. I don't like too much to give this as envar. There is no benefit because you know, here we have a config YAML, so probably I put the master API key here somewhere. Don't know, here API master API key, something like foobar. Okay, and use this to allow the sorry, to allow the creation of the collection. So and I would like also specify which header, HTTP header, the user has to use to specify the API key master. So let me make an example. I have here this. So what I want is something like that. So the master API key is a mandatory configuration, so we want to start. The creation is allowed only if specified as authorization bearer. I don't know if authorization bearer is the right either in this case, but let's start simple. Let's start something like that. For the time being, we don't care too much. This important is to specify the API key, and during the collection creation I have to specify also the read API key and the write API key. The read API key allow me to search, the write API key allow me to add a document, add the documents to this collection. So let's start. From where? Okay, let's start from the HTTP server. So the admin part, create collection here. We need to extrapolate. This is Axiom web server, so an HTTP framework library, I don't know, from for Rust. So we need to extrapolate here the header. I don't know how to do that. Rust axum get http header. Sorry. Path query header. Here's the map. Is a whole request. This extension I don't care. This header. So here something like that. I need import it. Let's see if there is axiom get authorization header, axiom out high level abstract, alternate typed header authorization we should probably use instead. Okay, so let's use not good axiom typed header. Okay, Rust axiom typed header. Okay, they moved to axiom extra. So typed header user agent as the response. I don't care. Oh, this is amazing. Only with typed header. Perfect. Let's see what. Oh wow, async attachment cookie private cookie signed blah blah erase JSON. What is that? Response type that all JSON in serialized form. Okay, we don't care. Error response, enable internal server error response, no form, JSON serialized, JSON lines, cool, protobuf, cool, query tracing, typed routing, typed header, file stream. Nice, great. So let's check if we have it. Cargo axiom extra, nope. So version 10, and the feature is typed header. Okay, so here we want to do this. Import. You are right. Opinable, but let's say you are right. Index, okay, this one, it's fine. And here I don't want the pub t this is from request part, optional into typed header rejection, fine. So headers, this is the headers crate. Okay, so I want to import from the header create the use user agent. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So this is the user. What? The trait in consider as let's see why this complains is not a feature implemented required by. So if I comment out this, it work, it compile, okay, but this user agent headers, not axum extra header. So I need to install also headers, or this is the proxy. It seems an re-export. Isn't. Pub use headers. Body pub use header. No, is a re-export, so it should work. Oi, it should be simple. Authorization bearer. Yes, I want that. How I can do that? So let's put something like that. Let's declare here this one and inspect authorization bearer. Yes, this one. Oops. Okay, now it complains because the trait bound fn is not satisfied. This is the problem. How to I don't remember. Okay, let's see if this fix it. No. Authorization. So this broke completely the part. So axum extra typed either authorization no. Oh, GWT, something like that. Authorize, protect, claim. Ooh. No, please, no, no. It's like that, where authorization came from axiom extra either. So is that. How I can, why, I don't want to create a extractor by myself. Why this doesn't work? Why? Trade bound fn axiom extract state type. Yes, as it is. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Rust. Thank you. So the problem was I cannot define here. Okay, there is no order, but the request body should be last parameter. Fine. Fine. Okay. Now I can say this authorization bearer, how it is formatted. Authorization id dot 0 dot token dot token bearer. What is a bearer for him? Imp bearer token string, view the token part. Okay, imp credential, I don't care, encode decode, blah blah blah, error type, don't care, basic bearer test encode out either authorization bearer. But if I access like that, I got only the token itself without bearer. Perfect. Out. Perfect. So here this is let token. This is the token. Perfect. I don't like at all to use something to keep secrets plain, so it should be somewhere a crate that allow me to store secrets and Rust is not capable to print it. So if I print to stdout to my lock the master key or the key in input, it doesn't print anything. It just print dot dot, if I remember correctly. Rust creates secretary. Protect access memory to cryptography secret. No. Secretary. Repeat to treat ensure aren't access a copy logged or exactly. This one. I want this. Option self for the person owner secret value is available. Under certain community it is obviously. Okay. Seems okay. So where is cargo? Here. Cargo add. No, I want also the, because I need to pass from here, so I want the feature here, version feature serd, exactly. And before anything, how I can use it? Tab. Really? Where is my example? Okay, secret box. Make access is pretty easy to audit via expose secret mode trait, preventing leaking from the memory on drop securely. But we never drop it. So when certain secret box, new secret box. Okay, so we have secret box, exactly. Token returns, okay, reference to string, we can copy it and it's okay, but new wants a box of S. Why he needs a box of S instead of string? Wrap secret. Redact. Oh, simple. Oh, perfect. Nope, too complicated, sorry. And secret, new. This is secret. Perfect. I remove this one. Remove this one. Okay, I have my secret. Okay, so one, we have this secret. We forgot to add to our configuration this master API key. So in the lib here we have pub master API key, redact, no, secret, fine. I don't know if it is clonable. String. Okay, fine. It's okay. here we have a bunch of tests that is broken, but it's fine. My API, my master API key, it's fine, and I need also here and here. Perfect. So into fine, new to string. You are right. Okay. So our configuration now has this master API key, and I don't know if it's better to put master API key here and not in right side. Because where we need to use is inside right side. Let's put here. String. Okay. 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 Fine. Okay. So we can easily access to master API key in our code. These sites write mod. Now during the new here we have the master API key, and for master API key here import secret, it's fine. Here we have config.master API key. It's moved obviously. Collection writer config. Nope. Where I put it? I didn't yet. I'm a bit lost. Right side config. This one. Right side. Why? Fine. Let's put here instead. Let's make it work before we end it. Here we have master API key like that, master API key, okay, remove from here. No, I don't like it. I like this version. Nope. Nope. While set configuration, this one here. And here in mod I need something like that, and here I didn't accept this, but lib this one. So here I accept this one. Let collection writer config let master API key config master API key. I probably need a review of our configuration, but not now. Master API key. Okay. And here I need to import it, and during the build here is right side. Okay. The import is changed. It's okay. Okay, so we have here the master API key. So during load don't care, commit don't care. During the create collection I need to accept, I have to accept also the API key, secret string, if self, yes, you was right, expose key. I can compare it without expose it. Apparently yes. So here there is token. Let's rename master API key, something like that. The test is broken here. It's fine, because now here during the create collection we have to specify also secret new to string. Let's see what we specify here. Here, okay. This here, I need to refine this, but don't care now. Also here, yes, apparently yes. Here and stop. Okay, now I implemented the feature. I can create a collection only if I know master API key. Let's try it. I don't know if it will work or not. Let's clean up this. Run. Here, I want to do this almost. The here is not a name, is an ID. Master API key. Oop. Missing okay, perfect. So the feature, if I don't specify it, it will broke. Works. So replace. Okay. So now I can do this and see the HTTP error. I'm expecting to see the master API key is invalid or something like that. It's still invalid. Right side. Oops. It's not here. It's here. Fine. Copy this one. Now it run. Yes. So if I run this, the output is blue. There is no output. .404. Okay, the path. Oops. 0 is like that. -v pet request. Is invalid JSON. There is a command here. Oh, invalid master API key. Perfect. We have it. The status code is not okay, but for now, if master API key is wrong, we return 500. This is not correct. We should return a different HTTP status code. To do it. Okay, fine. Now we have it, because if I try to specify foobar, let's see. Okay, even the log okay. It create, yeah, it created, perfect, good. Now next step, during the creation of a collection I have to specify also read API key and write API key that allow me to uh, be enabled to yeah, to be enabled to perform the write operation and the read operation. So dot git checkout dash b fit implement API key management, ok. Carco fmt clippy, why not. Dai, dai, go, I am with you. Implement master API key, okay. Git push, fine, okay. Now this one, and these are mandatory, those are mandatory. So that means I have to change the admin create collection here, and here there is some other optional, but here I have to specify also pub, what is the here read API key, read API key as a string, pub write API key. I wonder if we need to put a validation against the emptiness or the minimum length or something like that, but for the time being we can check if those are both not empty is sufficient, and let's, yeah, it is okay. Write API key, read API key, okay. Creating collection, this is not sufficient, actually this is not like that, is secret string and secret string, I don't want to leak anything in the log at least, okay. So during the creation the right side will have also the write API key, so write API key secret string. So when we create a collection, we create it in two places. The first is the right side here, and the second is the inside the read side. So we need to use the right API key in the right side, and the right side actually don't care about the API key and vice versa. So we are safe to put something like that here. It's okay. Why you are complaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The new write API key. It's correct. Okay. It disappeared. Fine. And here there is the load part. Fine. Dump. Here write API key. Secret. It's not serializable. Okay. Let's serialize like string. We have to deal with it. Not this dot expose secret dot clone. Okay, and during the new here we have we create empty and after load. Bad. We need to fix it, but it's okay for the time being. I'm under the hood rewrite this part, so don't care now. So secret new exactly. And inside the load I can say self API secret, this one. Okay. So why create the collection is serializable? It's not serializable. It's not to be. To schema, right? Struct API key, secret string, API key, impl partial schema for API key, implement, oops, item schema. This is just in a string. Is just in a string. So string schema. Imp schema to schema for API key. Now you should be happy. Yes. And we broke here obviously because write API key is not an API key anymore, but I prefer API key. Fine. I can import this, I can import this one. I can say this is okay, API key, so dot zero dot, this is not public, unknown field, why is unknown field, API key, oops, nope, imported from the wrong crates, exactly, API key is not exported, it's not exported, pub, create, perfect, now here should be not like that, but API key, this one, okay. Good, API key, okay, perfect. All those values are replaced inside prod method. Okay, and this is okay, and after that I need to send create collection here, read API key. So in this way, API key, we notify the read part about the API key he need to consider. So here read API key, why no such file, create read API key is not clone, okay, it's okay, here mod, and here we have read API key, and during the read API key we have to deal with the read side, read API key, API key, and when we try to create this one I have to pass it also here, API key, and put here and say API key. Okay. Okay. Why is complaining? Close all. Cancel. Close other. Okay, I've closed, and okay. And here we have the load part again. So the collections info, collection ID, and here we have the same issue, bad practice as before. So here we have API key, secret, new this one, we will replace the following values inside load method. It's bad, I know. Here there is the missing something, but I don't care now. Read API key, dump collection info, dump dot API key, and this info should be pub API key string. It's fine. Read API key self clone. It's fine. And here we have API key secret new. Okay. Yeah, you are right. So here 0 expose secret dot clone. Okay. So during the creation, during the creation, we keep this write API key inside the collection writer, and we send the read key to the read side. Perfect. So when we have to create a collection, we need to specify both. We have to specify both. And now what I can do is implement this serialization, serialize for API key, exactly. Don't care. I don't remember how to do that. There is some, where is types? Here. Implementation here. Nope. Where is I implement the serialize in this code? Too complicated. This one. In the last time I don't specify here, I specify here. Okay, perfect. So here is the okay, and okay, perfect. So here I can say if yes, as is empty, API cannot be empty. Good, API key cannot be empty. Perfect. So we avoided this. Fine. So in the right side, the patch here, I have to type authorization bearer either. Exactly. So we can avoid this much better. okay, this out, okay, obviously is not the master but should be the write API key. And with this is the creation. Okay, let's see how we would like to create the insert the, okay, something like that. So here the authorization again peer with my write API key, it's fine. Okay, fine. So during the admin here, the header is the same, but the token you have to specify is different. So here the write have to consider why not like API key is better. I like it much better. This is API key. And the self of this is not like that, is API key and cannot be empty, also in configuration. Better. And here this is not like that, API key. API key. This is not implemented because it's missing partial equal. Fine, but partial equal, and equal. Good. So return back here. We have the create collection with API key, and here we have API key for the write API key, and the write API key I give to write method API key, blah blah blah, collection, get collection, if collection check write API key, why not? And I will expose here not here, okay, blah 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 blah, pub fn self API key, API key, good, and don't care about this, you can consume it. And not a boolean, is result. So if this invalid write API key. Probably should be a more idiomatic way to write something like that in Rust, but for now it's okay. Again, keep it simple, because now everything is broken. Create collection, right, you are right, API key, okay, this is right is broken, I know. It's okay. Okay. And the right is broken. Okay, so here is fixed. Here we have this one, and this is not okay. Is this? We have to import it. Create collection misses some fields. It's okay. I know. This is okay. So here we have to specify my read API key, my write API key, and now should be okay. So the right side has to accept this part, and it's okay. And the right side accept here. Sorry. Okay. Insert the doc, but during the creation I didn't specify anything, so here read API key, my read API key, write API key, my write API key, and here write API key, API key, secret new. Okay. Let's hard-coded it. I will check the test after the stream. I want to complete at least from compile point of view. Also because this create collection, it's invalid, fine. Good. So now here we have insert this one. Okay. This one and this one. Okay. So more or less we are fixing the test compilation, because it's hard otherwise to continue, but we are almost done according to the red part at the side, so it's fine, completely fine. Here right, okay, this one. Okay, all is green. Okay, this is the reverse. Yeah. Okay. So we have we checked it. So if I'm trying to create a collection and after add documents, I expect an error. So run, let me remove the dump. Firstly, this creation fails because I am expecting to specify also the API keys. In fact, missing read API key, it's fine. So read API key, foobar read. Now complaints about the write, it's fine. Foobar write, and now should create. This should work. Perfect, created. Inside the log, I see the create collection. The log could be improved. At some point, I have to read the collection created. Otherwise, it's pending for me. Also, there is no reason about these two logs, but not now. So now I would like to add documents. The API for adding documents is this one. Why this is unused? It is used here, literally. Rust analyzer. So let's see how we want to let's id doc1 doc2, remove this one, v0 patch, I don't remember the endpoint, patch collection / documents, fine, / documents. Okay, I expected to receive an error because I didn't specify any header. An authorization was missing. Header tab authorization was missing. Perfect, completely fine. If I specify a different bearer, I expected to receive an error. Collection not found. Yeah, my bad. Collection named collection. Good work, Tommaso. Collection. This is not the correct bearer. A collection not found, invalid write API key. Anyway, it returns an error, it's fine. Invalid write API key, exactly, it's fine. Could be improved, obviously, but now if I put foobar dash write, it works, at least should. Perfect, document added. And panicked, why is panicked? Because I didn't put up start up the API server. I don't care about this, but it works. So we protect the other documents and the create collection, the most important two parts, and now I want to also here protect this. I have time, but let's see if we can do that. Let's again do something like that. I don't care now. This is okay. Okay, fine. Search. Okay, let read API key, secret new, this one. And now this is out token. Okay. Okay. To string. Okay. Fine. And now this should be given at this level. So the search is read API key, is not a secret, is an API key. Here we don't have it, but we can do the same we did before. So before starting anything, we can collection dot check API key. You can consume it, no problem at all. And sorry, here we have it. So if I pubfn check API key, no, check should not never return a boolean, return at least an result. Okay, is has, have returns a boolean, otherwise check assert doesn't return a boolean, return an error. Invalid, not invalid, not this. I don't like this message. Let's see, invalid write API key. Read API key. Okay. Now answer. Yeah. Also inside the answer I have to receive this. So here this one. We can copy this. We actually create an extractor, but not now. At least we avoid this one. This copy paste is terrible, but for now we don't care. Okay, read API key. probably we should check it before running everything, but don't care now. Just put in, what is that? Okay, here read API key. This API key should be used to access the read side. We should check it before doing anything. For now, exactly to do implement the check as soon as possible. Okay, test. Ooh, everything is broken. I don't know if I am ready for that or not, but fine. Fine. This is the read. Should be simple. You just put a something like that everywhere where search is performed, but it's just a tedious part. Okay. That's okay. Types are good, but essentially this with this rework I shot myself in the foot. Anyway, it's fine. Where is the EI where I need it? Probably find a replace was faster than this approach, but for now it's okay. Okay, so let's back to the he panicked. Yeah, because failed to embed documents. Okay, I can run it without any LLM. There is a feature, no auto embedding field on creation. Features, something like that. Okay, good. So what happened if I create a collection in this way? 201, perfect. What happened if I insert documents with the right document added. Perfect. Good. Now I want to perform a search. If it is work, we have done. Probably we implement it wrongly, but because apparently we wanted to put API key as query parameter and not as either. This is because course, preflight, and blah 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 don't like custom either. Okay, custom headers if you don't like the preflight request. So in order to avoid preflight request, we make the choice and put the API key as query parameter. So essentially what we want to test is this. This should not work. I don't remember. Okay, authorization was missing, but this is the right test, not the implementation is wrong. So instead leveraging on authorization bearer that we don't want to use is a query parameter, so we need to check the structure axum query params extract. So we need to create a struct, dedicated struct, implement the serialize, and this can be used like that. Fine. API key search query params. Is this serializable? Yes. Like that. Query. I can do something like API key. I can do that in Rust. Nope. Query like that. Yeah. So API key into params. Wait. Query. Into params is not satisfied. Huh? I have no idea what it means. This work? Okay, there is a problem with this. Spot. Okay, tomorrow, I don't care now. Let's make it work, and after better. So again, start it as usual, and now we almost done. Fine, we create a collection, work it, we add document to it, work it, and last but not least, we put this happy underscore key. It's wrong, but let's say for now invalid read API key. Correct, because is not this, is foo bar dash read. Oh, good, good, good. So there is a last part. So cert rename API dash key. This part. Okay, we did it. So at least for the search, the answer will not work, but for the time being, no, let's implement it also for the answer. I will not test it, but don't care. Answer read this, where answer query params, answer query params, import this, extract API key, deserialize, rename API key. Okay, good. We can remove this, we can remove this. We could remove this theoretically. Now we have done. So commit -m implement write API key and read API key, not test made for wrong API key. Okay, git push cargo fmt. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have curiosity, some questions, reach me out on LinkedIn. So or choose which social you want. Yes, there is a cat there. So thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.